Hello YouTube, this is Bill the Harley Guy, coming back to you for I should say a part 2 to the tire change that failed after I calmed down about 40 minutes to an hour. I was thinking about what the heck's going on. I forgot one major key, and that is my bead breaker. Now you see I got the tire completely on the wheel. I'm not so frustrated. I had to calm down, drink a few beers, and think about what was going on. So now I figured it out. I just had to sit down, calm down, and relax and think about what was going on. You know, I didn't have to bend my tools. But hey, it was my bad, you know? So, I mean, I can't get pissed at nobody but myself. But hey, you know, it's alright. But the good news is, I got a new logo for future merchandise. You know, for like hats, shirts, hoodies, or whatnot. And I'm going to introduce that to you here in just a few seconds. Until then, take it easy.